Having multiple skins is a feature of all new games nowadays. So in this video, we'll be learning how to create those multiple skins and implement this feature in your game. So as a start, I only got two scenes. The first is the main game, in which I only have the player, and the player is actually an empty game object, in which I have two sprites. The first one is a blue one and the second is a red one. Those are the two skins I want my player to be switching between. Okay, and in the other scene, I only have the two skins. Each one of them is a button. When pressed, it should activate the corresponding skin. We'll start by creating a new C# script, which we'll call selected skin. Now open the script in Visual Studio. Once it's opened, I want to declare a public static bool, which I will call blue selected, and I will remove both the start function and the update function, as I will not be needing them, and we'll set a public void, and this void will be called select blue, inside which I want to set our blue selected to be equal to true. Then I will be creating another public void called red selected. This time I want to be setting blue selected to false. Now save the script, back to Unity, add the script to our canvas, and then inside the canvas I'll head to our blue button, create a new onClick function, drag the canvas to it, and from the drop down I will select the select blue function. We'll do the same to the red, now back to our game scene. We'll head to our player control script and we'll be declaring another variable, which will be a bool that's called blue selected, and at the start function we will set our blue selected to be equal to selected skin dot blue selected. After that, we want to declare two public game objects. The first one will be blue and the second one is red. Then in the start function we will check if our blue selected is true. Then we want our blue dot set active to be true and our red dot set active to be false. Else, if blue selected is false, then we want our blue dot set active to be false and red dot set active to be true. Now save the script, return back to Unity, go to our player and drag both the blue and the red sprites to the corresponding fields, and make sure that you have both unchecked here or set as inactive. Now return to our skin select scene and everything should now be working perfectly. So we'll see that whenever I select the blue skin and start the game, you'll see that I am now playing with the blue character. However, if I return back and selected the red skin, now start the game, you'll see that I am playing with the red character. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, Share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you in the next one.